Hello everyone and welcome back to Skill Canvas Universe. Today we are going to learn how we can create an Instagram post simply on Canva. So let's begin. First we are going to click on more. Next we are going to click on Instagram post square. Then we are going to go to elements and search for Instagram post form and enter. You can go to frames and see all the things that come here. But for now, I think I will choose this one. You can make changes as you like. And next, I'm going to go to frames, simple frames. And choose circle. Decrease the size. Place it on the orange one. Perfect. You can make changes accordingly too. Next comes the main part. Now you can search for anything you like. For now, I guess I'm going to just start something randomly like photos. And there you go. And now you can add the description as you like. Add a text box. And then write hello people. Here is my new post. And you can make font changes, etc. accordingly. For now, I love in here. I'll bring up Canvas font, and I'm going to increase the size a bit. And you can add your profile picture and like anything. Just going to add the same thing here. And ta-da! Now you can make changes accordingly. So I hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe. Until next time.